Hello everyone and welcome back to CarWale. I'm Bilal here in Delhi on a very special occasion. It's called the BMW JoyTown and it's first of the three legs. The first is happening here in Delhi, the second would happen in Mumbai, the third would move on to Bangalore. And here at the JoyTown, apart from the entire lineup from BMW Group, you have two launches happening here. The first one is this. It's the new and updated M340i. Now, as we all know that the M340i is a range-topping version of the standard 3 Series. This one we have already driven in the pre-facelift avatar and we have come back quite impressed. But now the 3 Series lineup has been updated. The first one to introduce the new facelift version of the 3 Series is this M340i. It's been launched at the price of 69.20 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Now we hope the standard 3 Series would definitely follow. Apart from this, the second car that's been launched here in India is the XM. We'll talk about it in a few minutes, but before that, here's a little reminder to like, share and subscribe to the CarWale YouTube channel. Now the updates on this M340i facelift includes this aggressive looking headlamp setup. It's sleeker than before and it houses an eyebrow like LED setup of part of the BMW digital lamps. Gone are those angel headlamps the BMW 3 Series was always famous for. Now the standard 3 Series will also get this same headlamp setup, but the M340i bits here is this specific grille and again this at this JoyTown BMW has showcased the M340i in this very aggressive M Sport package. So you get this very aggressive looking splitters down there, and now here in this more aggressive sharper looking M340i with the M Performance part, it's even more aggressive. Now, apart from the updated front, the cabin of the M340i has also undergone many changes that we'll show you in a few minutes. More importantly, the curved display. Now, here from this angle, you'll see that aggressive looking yet very understated grey finish, which is part of the BMW individual paint scheme. Apart from this grey, you also get blue and white. Now, here at the back, this being an accessorized version from the M Performance part division. So you have this very aggressive, yet very subtle looking rear wing. It's not very huge, it doesn't shout out that look at me, here I am, but it just goes with the persona of the M340i and it's finished in carbon fiber. More carbon fiber is seen lower down here on the diffusers, which is again very specially designed for this facelift. You also get those twin exhaust and overall the rear of the M340i, which again most of the users would be seeing on the road, looks very aggressive, very mean. Now on the inside, the update comes in the form of this massive curved display. It has stacked 15-inch for the infotainment system and another 13-inch for the driver's display, and it's integrated with the BMW's newest OS 8. So the iDrive, which has always been famous for its usability and navigation, and it's again one of the best in business, it has been updated to a newest avatar, and the M340i facelift is the first one to bring it to the Indian shore. The rest of the cabin, it remains more or less the unchanged. So you get the sportier seats up front with Alcantara finishes on it. And again, it being a BMW, if you have seen one, you have seen them all. This being a facelift, the changes to the powertrain are limited. You still get the 3-liter twin turbocharged straight 6 making close to 375 horsepower and 500 Newton meter of twisting force. It's been sent to all 4 wheels thanks to the X-Drive channel through an 8-speed automatic. There's still no manual here and there won't be, but you do get the M Sport exhaust with this spec. The 0 to 100 km/h time of the new M340i is 4.4 seconds, making it the quickest BMW to be produced here in India. We have driven the M340i when it was introduced in India at the Natrax Proving Grounds as well as the MMRT. To watch a lap video of the older M340i around the racetrack, do click on the banner on your screen or find it in the description below. And after the M340i, we finally come to the second highlight of the JoyTown Delhi. It's that behind me. It's the all-new XM. Introduced globally this year, the XM is finally landed here in India. It's priced at 2.60 crore ex-showroom. It's the flagship offering from BMW and even the M division because it's the first M developed product after the original M1 almost 40 years later. It's already here in sale. The deliveries are set to commence in May next year, and we hope to get behind the wheel of it pretty soon. So stay tuned to CarWale.
If you want to know more about the XM, do visit our website www.carwale.com.
That's all for today. We hope to see you next time at the JoyTown Mumbai event. If you have any queries regarding the 2 launches that happened this year or the upcoming launches at the next leg, do write into us in the comment section below. This is Bilal signing off. Until next time.